Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4 and we're here at the Sweetwater Brewery. We got the new Inca 4x4 rooftop tents, the truck bed campers for mid-size and full-size trucks. We got the JLU 4-door hardtop camper, and I'm gonna show you a quick walk around of it, some of the features and benefits. We also have all sorts of overlanding gear. If you go to our website, incaoverlandoutfitters.com. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you on the trail soon. Thank you. So I'm excited to announce that we're gonna have a store. The address is 652 North Jeff Davis Drive in Fayetteville, Georgia. It's about 30 minutes south of the Atlanta airport. There we'll have in stock Inca 4x4 trail bags, Cook Partner steel stoves and accessories. We'll have Free Spirit Recreation awnings and geyser shower systems, just everything you need for an amazing adventure. So make sure to go to the website www.inca4x4.com. On the website, you know, we have everything from lighting to all sorts of accessories, and you could check out our overland campers and our Jeep hardtop campers. So again, from the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here, and I hope to see you on the trail.